Welcome back. The Feast of Our Lady of Medaglia Milagros was celebrated on Wednesday at Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Chapel in Margao with religious solemnity and gaiety. A large number of devotees attended the feast mass. Fastrack Racing Association of Goa will organize a dirt track racing event on Thursday at Navelim. The motorcycle event is being conducted under the aegis of Federation of Motorsports Clubs of India. The motor action will commence at 2:30 in the afternoon on the New Year's Day.
At a press conference on Wednesday, Secretary of the Fastrack Racing Association of Goa, Gaurav Sharma, disclosed the details about the New Year's Day race.
We are expecting a huge crowd and a lot of participants, around 35 to 40 participants in different classes. There will be 4 classes. This is basically for Class B category of bikes with Indian expert, 4-stroke, local novice and 2-stroke, scooter class. Prizes would be for the first place in each category. We would be giving out the riding gears which have been displayed over here.
One of Goa's best motocross riders, Alan Sequeira, highlighted the importance of riding gear for the riders.
I'm giving because, and our team is giving because, like, at least the new young riders who cannot afford to buy these kits, so expensive. When we were riding, we were not giving anything, like we were riding on our jeans pants and all, earlier in 96 and all. But at this age, all the riders are there now, young boys who cannot afford it. So I said, let me buy some kits and all and take them back and give to the winners. Like in 4 classes, 4 winners will be getting these kits.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.